Hi, hello everyone. As all of you know that over the past, two Nobel Prize winning techniques have been the pillar of structural biology. First, X-ray crystallography revealed how a protein molecule moves and behaves in a solution at their most natural state. And second, NMR spectroscopy, giving us the very first atomic map of biomolecules and transformed the way we design medicines. So these two techniques have changed the entire language of structural biology. Now what? One more powerful addition, cryo-EM, cryo-electron microscopy, winner of Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2017. So we Biosyntiya Solution in collaboration with BioNEST, BHU and Practicloud, bringing all these three techniques on a single platform in a very intensive workshop that is starting from 8th of June. In this workshop, you will get live demo on Relion, which is a gold standard for cryo-electron data processing, and also next PYP, which is a next generation tool for SPA workflows. So whether you are a student, researcher, or industry professionals, this is a very good opportunity to master all these toolkits of structural biology. To enroll in this workshop, visit our website. Thank you so much.